The robot has fallen and it can't get up.
Mom, take a picture of me on a ship.
All right, robot, try to get up. Roby.
I need to be turned over.
You need to be turned over. Hold on. Come here, Roby. There you go.
Mom, my tape.
Your tape is fine. You are intact.
How do I get in?
Robot, you're in your spaceship.
I can't get in. I can't get in.
Hold on.
6, 5, 4. Don't go! Whoa.
I can't do both. Let him in his house.
Yeah. See the door? Good robot. You're like your new father. Look out, robot. Back. Wow.
Roby. Here, Roby.
Your spaceship is ready, sir.
Don't take me out.